Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video. Parts are rolling in, and I actually bought this part a while ago, and I thought this was the coolest thing. This part is from Midwest Muscle Car Specialties. I am not sponsored from them. I bought it. They're not paying me to do this. I just thought this was a cool item, and this is a part that every LT1 guy should have. But they also make other installer tools for other makes and models and all that kind of stuff. But for LT1s, this is a real pain in the butt because it uses a 7/16 smaller bolt than a regular stock Chevy. But this comes with a threaded rod, bunch of washers, and a proper nut. What the difference is at the hole inside of the hub. Most small block Chevys is a much larger diameter hub, and this rod allows you to stick this through. I'll go onto the motor in a minute, but this just shows you real quick how this works. Super cool product, has different types of washers. Just going to give you a quick, a quick demonstration. So you can install the hub, not like a Neanderthal like I did on my previous video. Oops. So there's no need to spend a lot of money on this. It's 22 bucks on eBay. Great product. And I'm just going to go right to the engine and show you how this is used. Goes right into crank. Just like any installer tool. And if you're doing it in the car, if it's bouncing, you actually cut this down, but it's just to show you a quick mock-up of how easy this is to install and the provided washers. Boom. You could use 1, 2, whatever it is on here. And boom. Stick your wrench on this, drive it home. This is super cool. And this could be applied for a number of different situations for the LT1s to install these hubs. Now, let's go back to the bench. I'm going to show you one variation that you're going to have to think about if you're using a different style hub. Now, if you have a super dampener, only problem is that this comes with a bigger hub inside there. You can see the difference between that and a regular. It goes all the way through. Now the only thing you're going to have to do is just update the washers to fit around and build it up, and then you can use the same tool to even put a super dampener on. Just a quick little tech tip on this one here. But yeah, for 22 bucks, yes, saves you a lot of time and energy. Get one of these. Super cool. All right, talk to you later.